let's learn about biological importance of calcium and magnesium ions. Biological importance of Mg2 plus and Ca2 plus. Let's first talk about Mg2 plus. The green pigment in plants, that is chlorophyll, is a complex species in which the central metal ion is Mg2 plus. So, Mg2 plus is the central metal ion in chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the plants and it is responsible for photosynthesis. It traps sunlight and makes it available for synthesis of carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and water molecules. Apart from this, magnesium ions act as cofactor for enzymes involved in phosphorylation. That is, those enzymes which catalyze processes where phosphate group is transferred, those which involve ATP, adenosine triphosphates. So, that is about magnesium. And then regarding calcium, number one is neuromuscular transmission. Calcium ions are involved in neuromuscular transmission. For your information, we in a human body there is about 1.2 kilograms of calcium. In a person whose body mass is 70 kilograms, there is about 1.2 kilograms of calcium present in his body, and 99% of this is present in the teeth and bone. So, the next is teeth and bones contain calcium. Another important role of calcium is in the blood clotting. Remember, there are two hormones which are responsible for maintaining the normal concentration of calcium in the blood plasma. Those two hormones are, just remember their names. One is calcitonin. This is very easy to remember. Calcitonin is an hormone. It's a hormone which is responsible for maintaining normal concentration of calcium in the blood plasma. And there is another hormone that is parathyroid. Parathyroid hormone is also responsible. These two hormones together are responsible for maintaining normal concentration of calcium ions in the blood plasma. That's about biological importance of calcium and magnesium.